What happens at 17 weeks pregnant?
You start to understand all the jokes about how pregnancy preps you for labor with water retention, back pain and other things.
I'm not even halfway there.
The kid is now 5 or so inches long, around a third to quarter of the total length, so size-wise, he's got a long way to go.
I get size estimates from the doctor every time I go. I want play-by-play action.
Myelin is just starting to wrap around the spinal cord. The sweat glands are developing.
I hope he cannot get too hot in there.
No, but he can pee and does so, though not a lot. And that mixes in with the amniotic fluid.
That makes me think of my water breaking as a whole lot more gross.
Compared to the pain and blood coming next? The eyes can move around, though the eyelids are sealed shut.
I've heard the kid could turn his face away if a light was shined at it.
The baby's face is now close to its final configuration, though it does not look like a cute little chubby-cheeked cherub because he has no baby fat yet.
Give it time.
The fingerprints are forming about now. You may start to feel the kid moving at this point. But it's more likely the movement of amniotic fluid as the kid kicks than the kid kicking the uterus wall.
Or my bladder.
A lot of doctors will recommend doing pelvic floor exercises now, so you're less likely to leak pee when you sneeze now or after you have the baby.
I've heard people say they'd go through labor again as another way to lose 40 pounds.
At this point, you'll probably start gaining a pound a week. It is not the kid, but extra blood and amniotic fluid and so forth.
And I'll go from looking like I just had a big meal to blimp.
The kid himself is around 6 inches from top of the head to the butt. And it is around 4 ounces.
That's about the size and weight of a bar of soap. And starting to get big enough to be cute.
There's going to be a fine layer of fur on the body, which is lost almost all the time by the time the kid is born.
Unless he takes after his father's side.
The baby has paper-thin skin, but it is not transparent anymore. Your skin will probably glow too, from the extra blood flow and sweat, but not if you get pregnancy-related acne.
I do not want to suffer flashbacks to my teens before I even have the kid.
Consider it the horror story to put your teen in place, after yelling that you spent 15 hours in labor no longer works on them.